metres in Scarborough, the 17, then Surf Race Championship of Australia. One last one got from my team, Uluru, the Olympic champion in 2008. Starting 7-1-1, just getting off the beach now, bringing the small short break, a couple of waves in front of them, and in a few moments they'll settle down and make their way up towards the back of the course. The final, ladies and gentlemen, in the central competition arena this morning is the under 17 men Surf Race Championship of Australia.
Thank you, Paul and Reid, and they've all negotiated that bank quite safely. And out in front I can see that's a cap there of Burley Heads Mowbray Park. Back there, you can see the two caps there. Sunshine Beach are in there, doing very well indeed. That's Taylor Redwood from Sunshine Beach. Scarborough, we've got two caps out in front there, as there's Poleroy. They're tightly punched out to the further left.
Saxon's moved up.
There's split the two packs here, right to the left is the track of students. You can see a Poleroy cap popping up and down just over that way. And then out in front, out to the left, out to the right of us, making their way out to the first of those bands. It's Daniel Smith with Burley Heads Park leads this pack of potted swimmers. Next to him, Saxon Bird of Queenston. He's going to have a good line on that boy. It's the Burley Heads boy who goes around first. Oh, he's having a good swim too. He's about 1, 2, 3 body lengths in front of the rest of the field.
No, he isn't.
And that's Saxon Bird from Queenston in second. In two from Terrigal, Timmy Schofield from Terrigal, and that's Edward Gorley. They're doing very well from Terrigal. They'll be very happy with this at this stage because they're well positioned. And I can see there also the captain Victoria of Janja, Sunshine Beach, just popped up in the middle of that pack, and that'll be Sam Shepherd from Janja. Now they round the black and white pants.
Chasing him.
Stretch this field out those two lead sprinters. The big move there by Sam Shepherd from Janja. He's starting to move through the field. This is a part of the race that he likes. But he's got a bit of work to do to catch up to the boy from Burley Heads Mowbray Park. It's Daniel Smith from Burley Heads Mowbray Park. He's leading them. And then there's a big challenge now from Saxon Smith of Queenscliff. Saxon Bird of Queenscliff is mounting the challenge. And all the swimmers at the back are starting to move now. They realise that this is the home turn. Daniel Smith from Burley Heads Mowbray Park. He goes around the can, Saxon Bird there behind him. Now the Saxon from Janja. He's really starting to move. Then Timmy Schofield from Terrigal. And the little bar in there as well. Alex Tippett and out in front still at Burley Heads Mowbray Park. Queenscliff looking back there to Uluru. There's a move here from Michael Booth of Redhead. He started to come into the action. Now,
look at the gap between Saxon and
because they've all turned for home. They've got a signer on shore. And out in front is the boy from Burley Heads Mowbray Park. But Queenscliff's Bird, he's on the chart. He's got to his toes now. He'll be touching his heels and letting you know that I'm here. Now Sam Shepherd from Janja, gosh, he's going to be great swim through the field. Moved himself up in the third position. Looking ready out the back. Michael, here's a bit of a wait. Burley Heads Mowbray Park. No, bottoms out. So it's still Burley Heads Mowbray Park.
Come on, Sax. Come on, Sax. Oh no way, please, no way.
no, him and it's going to be. He's in there for a silver.
Come on, Sax. Saxon, come on, Sax. Please, Saxon, run.
Come on.